Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today we're diving into how to enter presentation mode in Canva, step by step. If you're looking to make your presentations smooth and professional, this tutorial's got you covered. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips just like this. Step 1. First, open up Canva and log into your account if you haven't already. This will get you to your dashboard where you can access all your designs. Step 2. Next, locate the presentation deck you want to share. Once you've found it, click to open it up. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Present. Go ahead and click on that. Step 4. In the options that appear, select Presenter View. This is the view that will allow you to see your notes without showing them to your audience. Step 5. Once you've selected Presenter View, click on Present to start your presentation. Canva will now open your slides in a new window. Step 6. Finally, click Got It on the prompt that appears, and you're all set. You're now in presentation mode with Presenter View enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.